For the last 2 days, Dr. Borchar had been monitoring the situation under a trailer barrack a walk away from Lilkwangala airstrip. On Saturday afternoon, the Vice President and his entourage walked to Lilkwangala airstrip. A shouting voice on a military radio echoed, "They are here! They are here! They have already taken the town's hospital." Since the situation became unpredictable, the head of the SPLA commander, who is also from Morlaix himself, does not want the Vice President to fly to Borchar because the situation became volatile instantly. In spite of all the risk, the Vice President replied, "We flew straight to Borchar. From the distance, you can see low youth present in town as the smoke simmering in the air. They have refused to listen to either their elders nor the Vice President of the Republic of South Sudan, Dr. Riek Machar. In their thousands, they flooded Borchar County. They are advancing to the heart of the town from the south side that is adjacent to the airstrip and the United Nations mission in South Sudan compound. The good news, though, they are not shooting at people, at least for now. As the helicopter carrying the Vice President landed, you can see part of the town engulfed in flames. The United Nations mission in South Sudan force from India rolled out their white tank. While the force commander from the UNMISS briefed the Vice President, the youth are busy burning facilities and looting houses within hailing distance from us. The Vice President ordered the army to take position in order to protect the government facilities in case the youth decide to attack. As we flew away, the youth retreated back to Lokunyang on the other side of Borchar River. The Vice President received a phone call soon after we landed in Juba that they have left the town without any fatalities. This is Miyongkon reporting for SSTV in Borchar, Jonglei State.